Hi, in this video I will explain you how to set up the supplemental feed in your Google Merchant Center Next in 5 steps. What is a supplemental feed in Google Merchant Center Next? A supplemental feed is a secondary data source used to provide more details, such as the product attributes that may be missing from your primary feed. Why do you want to set up a supplemental feed in your Merchant Center? You want to create a supplemental feed in your Merchant Center to use our tools in the platform. For example, to upload the optimized product titles from Products AI, or use the labels from advertising, the heroes, sidekicks, zombies and villains. To do all of this, you need to set up the supplemental feed. I will now guide you through the 5 steps to set up the supplemental feed. Step 1. The first step is to copy the supplemental feed from the Producthero platform. If you don't see the Copy Supplemental Feed button, please refer to our help guide for instructions on retrieving your data from the Merchant Center. Remember the feed label language combination of the feed you copied the supplemental feed from? You will need this in Step 5. Step 2. Go to your Merchant Center account and check if you have already activated the necessary add-on to add the supplemental feed. You can check this by going to Settings, Add-ons, Advanced Data Source Management, then click on Add. Once you have clicked on Add, you will see that Advanced Data Source Management has been added to the Your Add-ons tab. Step 3. Go to Data Sources via your account settings. There, you will find the supplemental sources. Click on Add Supplemental Product Data. Step 4. Now you're going to add the supplemental feed. To do this, select Add Product Data from a file and then paste the supplemental feed link you copied from the Producthero platform in Step 1. Click Continue and move on to the next steps. Step 5. The final step. Before we proceed with the last step, do you remember the feed and label and language combination that you chose in the first step? Let's return to your Merchant Center and the Data Source tab. Enter the feed label and select the language. It's also important to select the primary feed to which you want to link the supplemental feed URL. Click Create Data Source and your supplemental feed is ready. Well done! The Producthero platform is now connected to your Merchant Center. Let's start using our tools to super boost your campaigns. After the setup, keep the following in mind. To add the feed rules, which are now called attribute rules, click on the feed where you want to apply them. Then navigate to your attribute rules. You can now set your feed rules. It might happen that after the setup, you see the following warning in your supplemental feed. This means that the supplemental feed does not contain any data yet. Once you start using Producthero's tools, the data will come through to the supplemental feed, and this warning will disappear. The supplemental feed is updated daily with the optimizations you make on the platform. If you would like to push your optimized titles directly through to your shopping ads, you can manually update the feed in the Merchant Center by selecting the supplemental feed and click on Update. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.